Hello there, welcome to LoveCoinToken.com. Thanks for participating in the Lovecoin Airdrop and joining our philanthropic cryptocurrency initiative. In this short video, I'm going to be revealing how you can get an additional 100,000 free bonus Lovecoin tokens by completing a few simple steps. Note, we have also included a text-based instruction set below this video for your reference. Step 1. Download the Telegram app to your phone or computer if you have not already done so. Visit the website telegram.org to download Telegram. Note, you can also find the Telegram app on both the Google Play and iOS app stores as well. Step 2. Once you have Telegram installed, simply visit the following URL and click the Start button. The URL is lovecointoken.com/Telegram. Step 3. Proceed to complete the simple step-by-step instructions given to you by the Lovecoin Telegram Airdrop bot. This process should only take a few minutes to complete. After successfully completing the process, you will receive your bonus coins within approximately 1 week's time. With that being said, thanks for watching this video. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Cheers.